Imagine waking up and stepping into a bathroom that feels like a five-star hotel. You're excited to start your day, not dreading it. Every morning, it's like you're James Bond, getting ready for action. Now, picture the same for your bedroom, a place you can instantly relax, unwind, and recharge. Creating an aesthetic living space is about more than just decor. It's about building a vibe that makes your space somewhere you love to spend time. Whether you're into cozy minimalism, dark and moody vibes, or a bright, colorful space, the goal is to help you find a style that fits you perfectly. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to achieve that. Maybe you've just moved into a new place, you're in your first apartment, or you're finally trading in that elementary school vibe for something more grown up. Whatever your reason, it's time to make your space reflect you. The first step? Declutter. Go through everything in your room, and I mean everything. Put it all in a big pile and start sorting. Here's how to sort it out. Things you love and use every day, keep them. Stuff you haven't touched in ages, let it go. Sell, donate, or toss. Sentimental but unappealing items? Decide what's truly worth keeping. Now, decide the mood you want each space to have. Maybe you want your bedroom to feel calm and cozy, your bathroom to feel luxurious, and your workspace to be sharp and focused. Having a mood goal in mind will help you choose everything else with intention. This part is fun. Create a Pinterest board. Gather photos of rooms you love, and don't hold back. Save a ton. Minimalist bedroom? Save it. After a while, look through your collection and take notes. Notice the patterns. Maybe you like big mirrors, wood accents, or muted colors. Write down what stands out to you. It's like creating a style profile for your perfect space. Here's the reality check. You don't have to transform everything overnight. Start with small, affordable items that make a big impact. I call these the finishing touches. This could be a fuzzy rug, a stylish lamp, or even a small plant. Trust me, these touches can instantly change the vibe. Lighting is huge for setting the mood. You can get a relaxed vibe with soft lights, or add LED lights for a playful twist. Next up, add textiles like pillows and curtains that match your color scheme. In the end, creating an aesthetic space is about making a room that feels like you. Take it one step at a time, enjoy the process, and let your style evolve naturally. Remember, this space is for you, and it should bring you peace, focus, and joy. If you're interested in a list of my favorite aesthetic items that can totally transform your space without breaking the bank, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, subscribe for more informative videos like this.